Is it a girl or a boy? Bye!
I already found. La 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 la. I'm just fine 'cause I got you.
Yo guys, JellyFam, do it!
What's up, JellyFam?
Yay! JellyFam did it today, guys. Look at that. Well done, JellyFam. Give me a high five. Yo! Guys, gender reveal.
Guess where we are.
I know the excitement's real. This is the start of the gender reveal, and we are revealing the gender today. So don't turn off, guys. Make sure you watch it all the way through, because this is not to be missed.
We're not going to find out today.
No, we're not even going to find out today. Not yet.
We've got another 4 days.
Yeah, we've got another couple of days, guys, but we wanted to start the vlog now because we have driven all the way up to Warrington, near Liverpool, right? All the way from London today to come to a very special place.
Fireworks.
We come to get some fireworks for the gender reveal. I know, right? The excitement's real. Let's go inside. Come, go. So guys, we've driven all the way up to Warrington to the big fireworks shop. Jim and Mum, we're gonna go inside. We got the gender inside, guys. Can you smell it? Smell it. What does it smell like? Girl, boy. Girl, boy.
Good boy.
What do you reckon, JellyFam? Girl, boy. Let's go find out. Let's go find out.
I just saw this. Look.
What is it?
Purple rain. Purple rain. He knows the gender. He knows the gender.
He knows the gender. Guys.
The second person in the world to know our baby.
This man here, guys and girls, is the second person in existence to know the gender of Jellybean number 3.
Jellybean number 3.
Yes,
I do know, and it's gonna be noisy.
Noisy.
It's gonna be messy. It's gonna take some nappies. It's gonna take some feeding. But I'm not telling you where you are because, hell, I know.
So you know the gender of the baby now, right?
Yeah.
And you did it out there and you didn't even see it, so we don't even know. And it was still completely sealed, right?
Still sealed. Yeah.
Okay, JellyFam, look, check it out. So, before we do the actual gender reveal fireworks, we've got this bad boy. And I'm not even joking. Ian, on a scale of 1 to 10 for awesomeness.
Oh, 11.
11.
Yeah.
This one goes up to 11. Let's flash forward to Saturday. Yo, what's up, JellyFam? How's it going? So we're here at the gender reveal. Obviously, we've got all the friends and family here. We're in the middle of Lincoln. It's a lovely day. I'm wearing the shirt that JB Mum hates more than life itself, but I love it. It's a great shirt. Absolutely amazing. Apparently, we need like 25 meters. I'm at the end of the garden at the moment. We need 25 meters for the firework display, but for the first firework. Because how it's going to run, JellyFam, is... Hopefully I haven't skipped this just straight to the gender reveal. We'll have like a little firework to start it off, the big one after that, which is going to be crazy, and then the gender reveal, whether it's going to be pink or blue, we don't know. So we'll find out, guys, but that's going to be a couple of hours. We've got some eating and some fun and some other bits to do, guys, so just stick around.
My yellow is my favourite colour, and my favourite flowers.
Oh, look at it, look. JellyFam, so we've got the heathenist meat section, but look, vegan section just
Separate tools.
I know, right? Look at that, look. Those no more bull burgers are amazing.
Says Donna,
Say,
mummy to be.
oh, I see, it's like a play on words. I like it. So you're excited to find out the gender of Peanut later?
A bit nervous now.
Nervous. What are you thinking again, girl or boy?
Girl, I'd like a boy.
Yeah?
You know, something's healthy, we're good.
Yeah, no, but a boy, right? Healthy's good. Secondary to a boy.
Secondary to a boy.
Healthy boy, that's what we want.
Yeah.
Say it with me, healthy boy.
Yes, plug a healthy,
Healthy boy, healthy.
Oh, I think actually like a girl. Yeah, it's very similar to the old one. Spin round, have your head up in the right direction.
Mind your dress. Make sure you give me a spin from me.
I've had a bottle of wine, I'll have you know.
An extra free.
Yeah,
one more spin then. Yeah. Payback. That's what that's called.
Right. No using your other hand there. Go. Left of it. Now. Yay! Right, you need stomach. That's stomach.
Always got to come home.
So what we're gonna do now, JellyFam, is we've done one of the little ones, we missed it because it happened a bit too quick, but we're gonna do the undisputed one. This is not the gender one. The gender one comes afterwards, but watch this one. This one's gonna be epic. Ooh. 8 seconds, run! Oh! Wow, that's so cool.
Green, alien! Oh, alien!
It's gender neutral! It's a gender neutral, baby!
That's a unicorn!
Yeah. Okay, JellyFam, this is it, right? What are you going for? What are you going for? Is it going to be a boy or a girl? It's not going to be a boy or a girl. I'm so excited. This is crazy. This is crazy.
I'm waiting 3 weeks now to find out.
I would like a boy, but healthy is priority.
My hands are sweaty.
I'd love a girl, it's still the same, but a boy would be nice. Here we go. I'm so nervous.
My hands are sweaty. You got sweaty hands.
I got sweaty hands. Is it a girl or a boy?
Bye. I already found it. Let's go.
Did that look like it was blue? It's a I think it was a boy! It's a boy! It's a boy! Say that again! Oh! JellyFam is so excited! You're having a little baby brother! Are you excited? You get a little baby brother, JellyFam?
Pink and a blue.
JellyFam, you have no idea. Like, I would have been happy for you know, healthy baby. Oh my God, I'm so excited.
A nephew! She got a nephew. Auntie Kayla got a nephew.
I was so convinced that it was going to be a boy. I was so convinced. Blue. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Oh, it's your
I can't believe it. No, I was trying to contain.
Try not to cry. You did very well. Oh,
I was trying to contain my excitement. Did I do it well?
Yeah. Congratulations, Doms.
They're so happy to get a boy. I get to pretend to play catch with it because I'm not really manly. We get to go to Comic Con and Star Trek conventions together. It's going to be so exciting.
Hi, JellyFam.
I know, you tell them how excited you are having a baby boy, brother.
A million.
Yeah?
Trillion.
Yeah, me too. I'm so excited. Are you excited you're having a baby boy, brother?
Are you excited? Yeah.
Love you so much. Love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you, love you. What's up? So, did you expect a boy?
No, I'm in blue.
I'm in blue.
I was team blue all along.
I went pink. I went pink. I'm reluctant to do it. Go on. JellyFam, I can't begin to express how excited I am that it's a boy. That is crazy. I got 2 girls and a boy now. I'm complete, right? I got the whole set, guys. I'm so excited. Seriously, thank you so much to all the JellyFam for watching this and supporting us through everything, guys. We love you so much. You guys are amazing. Jamie, Mum, come around. Come around. I'm talking to them. I'm just saying to them we appreciate the JellyFam. We appreciate them, don't we? We're so happy. We're so excited. It's ridiculous.
Thanks for sharing it with us, JellyFam.
Yeah, thank you so much, guys, for sharing it with us. We really appreciate it. I love you. Oh, excitement is real. It's a boy.
Now we've got to think about names.
Spock, or Kirk, or Knight Rider.
You'll have to wait.
How do you feel about? I know, guys, you're gonna have to watch. We're gonna do all sorts of name reveal, huh? Gender name reveal. Don't know yet. We don't have any names, but now we know a boy. I can't believe it's a boy. Are you sure? We need to open up that envelope, guys. We've got the envelope still in the car. We're gonna open it up. Just double check. Oh God, I thought it was gonna be a girl.
I know. I'm sorry.
Anyway, guys, it's getting late here. Thank you so much for joining us. We really appreciate it. If you new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, guys. We really appreciate it. It's how we keep going. Don't forget to comment stuff down below. We love reading it. Let us know your thoughts and feelings about this and other things you'd like to see. But there's going to be so much more baby stuff, right?
Vader's baby stuff.
Yeah.
Look, you see my eyes. I've been crying.
I know. So say bye, JellyFam.
Bye, JellyFam.
Bye.
We don't stop.